Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner from Austin there, and today I'm going to do a salute on pound puppies. Why? Because I really love this show with the burning passion, because I really love dogs. Enjoy the video. Pound puppies. Yes, this show rocks. And this show involves 8 puppies, and they like to go on awesome adventures together. Lucky is a German Shepherd. He's really cute. Squirt is a Chihuahua. He's really cute. Nibbit is an Old English Sheepdog. He is adorable. And Cookie is a Boxer. She's really cute. Strudel is a Dachshund. She's really adorable. And those 3 little puppies are really adorable. Yep, so these 3 little puppies are so adorable. The plots of the show are pointful. The animations are awesome. The theme song is awesome. And do you know who loves this show? Me. And I don't know who hates this show. So Pound Puppies rocks. And so does Mustard Pancakes. This show rocks too because I really love dogs. I also really love this cat. She's really cute. Yep, so Mustard Pancakes rocks too. Barney and the Backyard Gang sucks. End of salute. If you have any requests about my salutes, check on the comments below. This is me, on my channel.